So we might have a look at what Module 1, responsive government, is all about. Here what we're attempting to do is to keep abreast of how, as I mentioned earlier, big data is changing the way we live. We need to be focusing on, amongst other things, how artificial intelligence is changing the workplace, and particularly the importance of understanding diverse stakeholders. Clearly they operate, and we, with diverse stakeholders, operate in a very dynamic system. And one of the things that we really want to focus on is the idea of systems thinking, where we have a look at the multiple relationships between diverse groups and what that means for the way we provide services. The second thing in responsive government is about contractual arrangements. And I really want you to have a good think about the sorts of contracts that you work with. They'll come in many different shapes and sizes, and increasingly, each of you as managers will be managing a number of contracts and monitoring the performance of those contracts. The third element of responsive government is actually our partnering protocols and understanding when it's best to work towards public-private partnerships, partnerships that enable us to extend our reach whilst keeping our costs down. So the next generation of managers, and what we're learning about in Module 1 here, is really about the ways in which we use information and intelligence, and particularly the use of this intelligence in cross-sectoral environments. So thinking about the non-government organisations with which you work, the client groups with whom you work, other government agencies with whom you have to actually provide services. So I hope you enjoy Module 1.